What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning into my channel. I'm Ryan, and this is Practice Makes Perfection. Hey everyone, it's been a while, but I am back to my old habits of jacking up Inlay cutting boards. So I made a bunch of them and just gonna be practicing. I think I'm getting better. Learned some lessons with this. I got a new bit, this SpeTool 0.25 radius bit is like the bee's knees. I freaking love it. It's got a sharp angle on it. It was like 18 bucks. I'm able to run it, so I did, let's see, I did a 0.2 starting depth, and I ran it at 1/3 of an inch per minute, and it sliced through there like butter. The tip didn't break. I have some other, ball end bits that the tip will break off. Maybe I was running it faster for, I don't know, but really like it. It's really working for me. Thinking I'm gonna have some success with it here in the future. Problem here with this one was the fingers. So smashing it down in the center was quite difficult. I tried using some clamps. So in the center, it didn't really punch down into the female part all that great. I recorded this whole process on a iPhone because I've been on the fence about buying a camera, because normally I use I have a Samsung phone and I record with that, but sometimes when it's long video recording times, I need to use my phone and everything, so I get bored. So my wife had gotten a new iPhone. We still had our old one. It recorded 4K, so I was like, hey, let me use that one. And the video came out great. It looks great on the iPhone and everything like that. The trouble was just getting it off the iPhone. Such large files, the phone goes to sleep. It doesn't want to let me log into like the App Store thing. It's just been annoyingly difficult. It's like the world's against me. But I'm just like, hey, you know what, screw it. Maybe I tried transferring it up onto my computer. It's just like giving me a headache. So I just wanted to make a quick video showing, that I'm back. I'm going to be making some more stuff here in the future, and pretty rarely. As you can see, I glued up a bunch of cutting boards, a bunch of inlay stuff, or Endgrain stuff. I got one that's not, but I was just being lazy. But I have like 6 boards to do some practicing on. I didn't make them too thick, so they're not like, they're really just practice boards. Endgrain. I probably should have picked a different thing to start my hobby with, other than Endgrain inlays. But screw it. I like going for harder stuff, and yeah. Here's my messy machine. It's got junk all over it, but yeah, like I said, I'm back and gonna be making some stuff here in the future on my Prover 4030. Yeah, I bought some of these. They work pretty well. Not so much on this oh shoot, I can't remember what type. What is it? Oh man, I can't remember. I really don't feel like recording this again. So anyways, here's those SpeTool bits. Again, I got a 0.25 and a 0.5. Correction from earlier, I said 1/3 of an inch per minute, but no, I run it at 1/3 of an inch per second. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.